Welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you all are good and doing your work properly. So students, as you all know, we have started a chapter number 12, that is plants and their care. So in the last 2 days we had studied about root system and the shoot system. These are the parts of plants, right? So the parts of plants are divided into the two parts. Those are root system and shoot system. So in the root system, what we have learned, what is root system? System which grows under the ground, and shoot system, part of plant which grows above the ground, right? And I told you about the root system. There are two types of root system, that is taproot system and fibrous root system. So taproot system are having the main root, and main root are having so many roots, and those are very thin roots, are known as lateral roots or the side roots. Okay, and then I am talking about the fibrous roots. Fiber roots are not have any main root. They are having bunch of roots, and these are the fiber. These are very thin. Okay, so this is about the root system. Now let's move on to the shoot system. In shoot system, I told you about the leaf. Leaf is a part of plant which is green in color and very thin and very soft part of the plant. Then next is about the stem. We eat some stems like vegetables, ginger, onion and potato. These are the underground modified stem of the plant, and we eat them. Then next is about the flowers. So we eat flowers also of some plants, like we eat cauliflower. So like this we eat coriander. So इस तरह से हम कुछ coriander ज़्यादा leaves, sorry. So we eat some flowers also, and then I am talking about the fruit. We eat fruits of this many plants, and mostly fruit contain the seeds in it. उनके अंदर seeds होते हैं, and then I'm talking about the seeds. Seeds are having a each seed having a baby plant in it. उसके अंदर एक baby plant होता है, and it is a food for the new plant. जो भी हम new plant grow करते हैं, उसका जो food है वो क्या है, वो seed ही है. Okay. So now in this session, I will be telling you about the trees, that how can we take care of the trees and trees around us. Firstly, I am telling you about the trees around us. There are so many trees around us which we can see in our, we are watching in our daily life, like common trees like eucalyptus and banyan. These are the common trees we can see anywhere. Then some flowering trees are muskogee and cherry trees. These are the names of flowering trees. Then it is about the fruit trees. We can see a lot of fruit trees nearby us, like apple tree, mango tree, pineapple tree. Mainly it is found in the orchard. Then it is about the hilly areas. In hilly areas we can see fir and pine trees. Fir and pine trees looks like a Christmas tree. These looks like a Christmas tree. जो fir and pine trees होती हैं mostly Christmas tree की तरह लगते हैं. Then provide wood. The trees which provides us wood are teak and shisham. These are the two trees named as teak and shisham. They provide us food. So अभी हमने कितने trees के बारे में read किया? About the eucalyptus, banyan, these are the common trees. Muskogee and cherry, these are the flowering trees. Apple, mango, pineapple are the fruit trees, and fir and pine are the trees which found in the hilly areas. Teak and shisham are the trees which provide us wood. So this was about the trees around us. Now students, we will be studying about the taking care of trees around us. हम कैसे trees का ध्यान रख सकते हैं? So we must not cut down the trees. हमें trees को काटना नहीं चाहिए. Cutting trees will lead to the serious problems. It will cause less rain. अगर rain नहीं होगी, how will we get the water? So like pollution, drought and flooding. drought and flooding. So moreover, trees are a source of food. जो ट्रीज है वो क्या है, फूड का सोर्स है, मेडिसिन, वुड एंड ऑक्सीजन. सो इट विल बी इम्पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू सर्वाइव विदाउट द ट्रीज. ट्रीज के बिना सर्वाइव करना इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो वी शुड टेक बेटर केयर ऑफ प्लांट्स अराउंड अस. हमें अच्छे से प्लांट्स का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. ओके, so this is how we can take care of our trees around us. We should grow more and more plants, right? And we should not cut the trees, and we should always grow trees like which are having fruits near the road. फ्रूट्स वाले ट्रीज हमें ज़्यादातर रोड के नियर ग्रो करने चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो वी शुड नॉट कट द ट्रीज. And also we should take care of the trees by giving them water time to time and by changing their mud. So like this we can take care of our plants. Now what can we do? अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Do not allow anyone to cut down the tree. कोई भी अगर tree cut कर रहा है, so just say them do not cut it. Okay, without trees we will not get rain, and without rain we will not get water, right? So this is about the how can we take care of our trees. And we should plant more trees, water the saplings regularly, and add manure to the soil and nurture the saplings till they grow into the trees. तब तक saplings को तब तक grow करना चाहिए जब तक वो एक बड़ा tree ना बन जाए. इतनी केयर करनी चाहिए हमें ट्रीज की. Now I'm going to tell you about the Van Mahotsav. There is a Mahotsav known as Van Mahotsav. It is a festival of trees. इसको trees का festival कहते हैं. Name as Van Mahotsav. Here I am writing Van Mahotsav. So this is a festival of trees named as Van Mahotsav. Trees are planted in large number on this day. इस दिन बहुत सारे trees grow किए जाते हैं, and many schools celebrate this festival. Many times you have seen in our school also, like our director sir, principal ma'am, and many students also, like on their birthdays also they are growing some plants in the school. The students plant the saplings, and they also take part in activities like debates, discussions, drawing and painting competition. I hope you all are missing that, and I am also missing those competitions. We have fun so much. हम बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा करते थे. So it's okay. Everything will be all right. The theme for these activities is always related to the forest conservation. हमें forest conservation का theme देते थे या कुछ ऐसा, to save water, to save trees, like this. We were like just participating in the competitions, and lectures on the importance of trees are also given on this day. Lectures भी दिए जाते थे, बताया जाता था why the trees are important, why water is important. On these type of festivals we were celebrating in our schools also. The government is also aware of the importance of trees. So government को भी पता है कि trees के क्या importance है. So it plants trees like neem, जामुन and eucalyptus on the roadsides. Roadsides पे ये grow किए जाते हैं. You know what will happen if we will grow some fruit plants mainly. Those people who are not getting food, right? Those who are very poor, so they can just आप सोच सकते हैं कि अगर फ्रूट के बहुत सारे ट्रीज होंगे तो वो फ्रूट को खा सकेंगे, तो कि जिनके पास मनी नहीं है, right? So we should grow as much as we can. So the municipal authorities water them. Municipal authorities जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट होती है, जो म्यूनिसिपल की पार्टी के लोग होते हैं, MC, they just plant them and they just water them. And then the forest department at the government of India plants and protects forest. कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में जो होते हैं इंडिया के, वो प्लांट्स और फॉरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. सी इफ दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग देम जस्ट बिकॉज हमारे ट्रीज अभी तक बचे हुए हैं, अदरवाइज मैनी पीपल आर देयर हु जस्ट कट द ट्रीज फॉर अर्निंग सम मनी. So prevents cutting of trees without prior permission. So some tribal people live in forest. कुछ tribal people होते हैं जो forest में रहते हैं. They cut down trees to earn their living. वो अर्न करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, उन्हें कट कर देते हैं. बट दे प्लांट मोर ट्रीज एंड लुक आफ्टर देम टिल दे ग्रो अप. बट वो सेकेंड थिंग क्या करते हैं, वो और ग्रो भी करते हैं, उनकी देखभाल भी करते हैं. राइट, इफ दे आर कटिंग द ट्रीज फॉर लिविंग, इफ दे नीड मनी, so they are growing more and more trees also and also taking care of them. So the balance of nature is not disturbed. अगर इस तरह से हम करें तो नेचर हमारा डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगा. बट इफ वी आर continuously cutting down the trees, of course it will harm our nature. Okay, because greenery is very important. Plants are the very important part of our life. From plants we get oxygen. These tribal people eat fruits of plants. फ्रूट्स खाते हैं प्लांट्स के, जैसे कि आंवला, तेंदू, फिग्स एंड वैरायटी ऑफ पाम्स एंड बेरीज. सो ये सब फ्रूट्स खाते हैं वो. वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ प्लांट्स लाइक दिस. वी शुड ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ द प्लांट्स. ग्रीन वर्ल्ड इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट वी कैन गिव टू आवर फ्यूचर जनरेशंस. अभी आगे जब हम बड़े बड़े हो रहे हैं तब तक हम अपनी फ्यूचर जनरेशन को ये गिफ्ट दे सकते हैं ग्रीनरी का. सो वी शुड प्लांट मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज. ओके, नाउ इट इज वन मोर थिंग अबाउट द, डू यू नो, इन दिस आई विल बी टेल यू अबाउट द चिपको मूवमेंट. इट इज अ चिपको मूवमेंट. चिपको मूवमेंट इज in this like cutting of trees. Just read it in your book. In the do you know it is given. Cutting of trees in the Garhwal Himalayan region caused major landslides and floods. बहुत सारे ट्रीज कट किए गए थे इन द साइड ऑफ गढ़वाल एंड हिमालयन रीजन. तो वहां पर क्या हुआ था, फ्लड्स आ गए थे. इन 1974 ग्रुप्स ऑफ वुमेन फ्रॉम द चमोली डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन उत्तराखंड के चमोली डिस्ट्रिक्ट से जो एक वुमेन्स का ग्रुप था, boldly surrounded the trees to prevent the loggers from cutting them down. जो wood cutters होते हैं ना, उनको loggers भी बोलते हैं. तो उनसे ट्रीज को बचाने के लिए what they did, they just hugged like trees. उन्होंने ट्रीज को इस तरह से होल्ड किया, टाइटली होल्ड किया that you cannot cut the tree. They are stopping the woodcutter or loggers that do not cut the tree. Okay, so this is a Chipko movement and the contractors withdrew and the forest were saved. इस तरह से जो था, जो भी forest था वो बच गए थे. The Chipko movement spread and many more villages stood up for the protection of their forest. जब ये movement हुआ, many people just inspired with this and they also did in the forest. They also did the same thing in the forest. So this movement was led by Chandi Prasad Bhatt. किसने किया था ये? चंडी प्रसाद भट्ट एंड सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा. एंड दीज आर द फेमस इन्वायरमेंटलिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑल्सो. चंदन प्रसाद भट्ट एंड दिस इज सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा. ओके, so this was about the Chipko movement and how they just stop the forest to cut down and they just stop cutting the trees. So like this, not these type of movements, but yes, we can stop anyone by cutting down the trees. We can plant more saplings and we can just take care of them. Like this, we can take care of our plants and our environment too. I hope you all like this type of, like I told you about today, Chipko movement, and one more thing about the Van Mahotsav. So these are the just Chipko movement is a memory and इसको बहुत टाइम 1974 की बात है और आज तक इसे याद किया जाता है. And also about the Van Mahotsav, it is a festival of trees. So everyone just read this chapter carefully. Your homework is only to read this chapter. Okay, that is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.